Alert, alert. All Void Industry staff members are to report to the meeting room now.
Alright, this week we are trying to capture the dangerous criminal Nadim Marashqui, okay? Marashqui is on the run from us, okay? He has attempted to infect his twin, the chicken, okay? This is not acceptable. So, in order to catch this devious criminal, we're going to devise a plan, okay? And we don't want any of our guards in the way, so we're gonna use a robot. Gabriel Russell, how are we going to do this?
Well, we're gonna do this by making sure, what I'm gonna do for our project is I'm gonna make sure that everyone does their part. Like Daniel is gonna do the video, Daniel is gonna do the robot, and Carl and Robbie are gonna make sure that they catch Nadim. What are you gonna do for the project, Daniel?
Well, for my part of the project, I'm gonna basically make the video showcasing all of our work put together so that everybody else can see what we've done and, you know, how it works out.
That's great. What are you gonna do, Daniel?
I'm gonna work on actually making like the programming for the robot. I'm gonna make sure that the robot can detect Nadim correctly and then not detect officers, and it will be able to capture Nadim.
What are you gonna do for the project, Carl?
Me and the Robster here, we're in charge of catching Nadim. He will not get away. Once the paintball robot paints him pink, because that's Nadim's favorite color, we're gonna dispatch and immediately capture him before he can leave our Mars base. Alright, group hug everyone. Get in here, Robster.
Alright, Gabe. So, as part of this project, you're our CEO, so I'd like to ask you a few questions about what's going on here. So, what exactly are we doing in this task?
So what we're doing in this task is we are making a map for our robot to simulate a hallway with prisoners and guards to make sure that our robot will only handle the prisoners and not disrupt our guards.
And so, why are we doing this exactly?
We are doing this to enhance the security and safety of our prison, as we don't want anything to go wrong, we want everything to go well, and we definitely don't want any of our guards to get shot with a paintball.
And last question, how exactly do we plan on doing this?
Well, we plan on doing this by simulating it inside of Daniel Jalenka's computer, and we are going to recreate the hallway and add walls and a guard and a prisoner representation in orange and blue to make sure that it's pretty accurate.
Alright, sounds good. Let's get to work.
Let's do it.
Yippee!
So basically, I made a function that takes a screenshot using the robot's built-in camera sensor, and then it's using that screenshot, it finds a set of orange pixels because our prisoners are wearing orange clothes, and then it basically turns the robot so that the robot perfectly faces those set of orange pixels or a prisoner, and then that function exits. But then after that, I can call another function which will actually shoot a paintball in order to tag our prisoners. These are security robots.
Okay, me and Robs are here for the post-narration, okay? So, the difficulties that we face, well, number one is Daniel Jalenka talking over me. Number two is that we did the claw robot, like, we could not find it because we did the code too late. I mean Daniel Jalenka. So, what we did to solve this is Daniel Jalenka locked in on Friday to fix this issue, okay? And now I'm gonna hand it over to Robster, and he's gonna tell us what we learned from this project.
See, what we learned was when you procrastinate and then come up with a problem or error later on it gives you less time to fix that problem. So it's important to do it on time and early, because then if you come up with a problem, you still got time. It'll be fine. And then you can go and fix it.
Alright, do we all agree?
We do agree, yes.
Group high five.
Warning. The following footage is classified. Unauthorized viewing of the footage is illegal.